Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Then let's go to the language, and here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find your language and then tap on it. I will pick maybe Greek. So just tap on it, choose the region if you can, and then your device will ask you if you wish to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on Set as Default, and as you can see, my new language has been immediately applied to the list, and the whole system right now is displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language is added here, then you can simply change them quickly just by tapping on the specific language and tapping on Change, I believe, or Apply. And as you can see, we've got English set. It was Apply. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit and mark the language which you wish to remove. Then tap on Delete, tap on Remove, and you've got only one language applied again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.